Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome back to English Listening Podcast. Do you ever struggle to talk about your daily routine in English? You know the words, but when you try to speak, you get stuck. Today, I will help you fix this problem. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your daily routine clearly and confidently. So listen carefully and stay with me. Let's start with the morning. The first sentence, I wake up. Repeat after me. I wake up. Very good. Now a full sentence. I wake up at 6 a.m. Repeat slowly. I wake up at 6 a.m. Good. Now listen carefully. Wake up means you open your eyes and stop sleeping, not I awake. We say, I wake up. Next sentence, I get out of bed. Repeat, I get out of bed. Good. Now, I make my bed. Repeat, I make my bed. That means you arrange your blanket and pillow. Some people make their bed every day. Some people don't. It's okay. Next, I brush my teeth. Repeat slowly, I brush my teeth. Not, I brush my tooth. Teeth, plural. Good. Next, I wash my face. Repeat, I wash my face. Then, I take a shower. Repeat slowly, I take a shower. Very good. Now let's combine everything. I wake up at 6 a.m., I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, and take a shower. Repeat slowly. Take your time. Now let's move to breakfast. I have breakfast. Repeat, I have breakfast. Good. You can say, I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee. I drink tea. Repeat, I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. Very good. Important. We say have breakfast, not eat breakfast in formal daily routine speaking, but both are okay in conversation. Now let's talk about work or school. I go to work. Repeat, I go to work, or I go to school. Repeat, I go to school. Very good. Now, I leave home at 8 a.m. Repeat, I leave home at 8 a.m. Leave means you go out. Next sentence, I take the bus. Repeat, I take the bus, or I drive to work. Repeat, I drive to work, or I walk to school. Repeat, I walk to school. Good. Now imagine you are at work. I start work at 9 a.m. Repeat, I start work at 9 a.m. Next, I check my emails. Repeat, I check my emails. I attend meetings. Repeat, I attend meetings. Attend means you go to something. Very good. Now a simple sentence. I work until 5 p.m. Repeat, I work until 5 p.m. Now it's lunchtime. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Repeat slowly. I have lunch at 1 p.m. You can say, I eat rice and chicken. I eat vegetables. I drink water. Repeat one sentence in your mind. Good. Evening routine. Now we go home. I finish work at 5 p.m. Repeat, I finish work at 5 p.m. I go back home. Good. Now I relax. Repeat. I relax. I watch TV. I scroll on my phone. I talk to my family. Repeat one of them. Now dinner. I have dinner at 8 p.m. Repeat. I have dinner at 8 p.m. You can say, I cook dinner. I order food. I eat with my family. Very good. Now the end of the day. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I change my clothes. Repeat. I change my clothes. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Repeat. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Important. We say go to bed, not go to the bed. Remove the. Very important. Now listen to a full example. Just listen first. Then we repeat. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get out of bed and brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. I leave home at 8 a.m. I go to work by bus. I start work at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go back home and relax. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I watch TV for 1 hour. I brush my teeth and go to bed at 11 p.m. Now repeat slowly. No rush. Now I will ask you questions. Answer in your mind. What time do you wake up? Say it in English. Good. What do you eat for breakfast? Answer. What time do you go to bed? Very good. You are doing great. Let's fix some mistakes. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6. I go to the bed. I go to bed. I take shower. I take a shower. Always use a before shower. Mini speaking practice. Now speak out loud. Say, every day I wake up at. Complete the sentence. Next, in the morning, I. Complete it. Next, in the evening, I. Very good. Even if your sentence is simple, that is perfect. Simple English is powerful. Why daily routine English is important. Daily routine vocabulary is basic, but it is very important because in conversation, people always ask, what do you do every day? Tell me about your daily routine. If you can answer clearly, your confidence will grow. And when confidence grows, your English improves faster. Slow repetition section. Now we go very slow. Repeat each sentence. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I go home. I have dinner. I go to bed. Excellent. Remember, you don't need big words. You need clear words. You don't need fast English. You need confident English. Practice your daily routine sentences every single day, just 5 minutes. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen again. Improve slowly. English is not a race. It is a journey, and you are moving forward. One sentence at a time. Take a deep breath. Smile, and say this with me. I am improving my English every day. Repeat. Very good. I'm proud of you. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next episode.